The AWithZ 11000mAh LCD Spot Welder is a versatile tool suitable for repairing and building various battery packs, including those for electric bicycles and handheld drills. An upgraded feature of this spot welder is its ability to perform consecutive spot welds, allowing it to handle thicker materials efficiently. With an impressive battery capacity of 11,000 milliampere hours, this spot welder charges swiftly in 3.5 hours and offers 99 adjustable power settings for different materials. The 1.5-inch large LCD screen ensures that users can easily read important information, such as remaining battery life, temperature, and gear settings. The package includes all necessary accessories like a 2-meter nickel-plated sheet and a 50-centimeter Type-C cable, making it easy to start your DIY projects right away. Its thoughtful packaging makes it an ideal gift for DIY enthusiasts, providing everything needed for spot welding tasks.